Hi guys, today we are going to unpack the unboxing of DOMS kit set. Okay, let's see what is inside. So let's unbox one by one. The first we have a pencil with eraser. So two erasers is that are erasable pencil. Next we have a pencil color. You can see 12 set of pencil color. You see here both side it is there. Done. Now the next we have oil pastel of 12 sets. Next we have a small eraser that are made of wheels. Next we have a dark pencil of 5 super dark color ranging from HB to HB2. The next we have a sketch pen of 12 sets, small sketch pen. Next we have watercolor again with a 12 set. You can see with the brush also. Next we have one measuring scale and sharpener, DOMS sharpener. Next we have 24 shade crayon color, plastic crayon. It is very good for drawings for the children.
Activity book.
Next we have activity book that are used for kid zone. This is a drawing activity book. So kids have to match this activity and color it. So it's kind of fun activity. You can see phoned crossword is there. So you can learn something. Also these are the coloring things, the numbering as well as colors. So today we have did the unboxing. So we have 20 these many items. I guess altogether if you guess it is 17 item or 12 item is there. So overall it is worth to purchase. A good review. It's all come together with a kit bag. Thank you. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe for more exciting video. Thank you.